There are 7 main WH question words in English: what, where, when, why, who, which, and how. We use them to ask for information, not just yes or no answers. We also use whom and whose as WH question words in English. Let's start with the first one. What? What is used to ask about objects, ideas, or actions. For example, what is this? What is your name? What do you want? What are you doing? What is your job? Where? Where is used to ask about location. For example, where are you? Where is he? Where do you live? Where is the shop? Where are they? When? When is used to ask about time or dates. For example, when are you coming? When is your birthday? When do you sleep? When do you eat? When is the meeting? Why? Why is used to ask for a reason. For example, why are you sad? Why are you late? Why do you smile? Why is he angry? Why do you run? Who? Who is used to ask about a person. For example, who are you? Who is he? Who is she? Who are they? Who is your friend? Which? Which is used when choosing from a specific set of options. For example, which one is yours? Which is better? Which book is this? Which car is yours? Which road is right? How? How is used to ask about the way something is done or a process. For example, how are you? How is your day? How do you feel? How do you go home? How is the weather? As mentioned earlier, we also use whom and whose. For example, whom did you call? Whom did you help? Whom did you see? Whose bag is this? Whose book is this?